Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So on the dollar yen, I still think that we're either looking at an ABC correction, which would look like this, which would be a correction to the last 5 waves up, or possibly we're making a 1, 2, 3 because this is the end of a wave 5, and if that's true, this will stretch out and end up looking something like that and taking out the low of wave 4. Now notice that it's exactly the same shape until you get about 2/3 through this third wave, which is why I don't really care whether it's an ABC or 1, 2, 3. I have it labeled as an ABC on the weekly, but it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3. I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. I still think there's a very good chance that maybe even within the next week or so, we could start this move to the downside for the wave C or possibly the wave 3. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. So we had one more big push up yesterday at the elections, and it never did break structure to the downside, so it makes sense that it did go up again, and anybody that was following along with the trend probably had a very, very nice trade. To me, now that it made this push up, it actually looks even better as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. So it looks even more ready to me for a possible reversal to the downside and a possible push for the big wave C or big wave 3. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, technically, you're not going to know that this trend is over until or unless it breaks this structure. So if it does start to reverse, go down and break this structure, I think that's what we need to prove that the wave B or wave C is over. Technically, we should be looking for logs right now, and honestly, it probably could trend up pretty easily if it really wants to, and we definitely should be looking for logs. I personally will not be going short until we get that breaker structure, because until we actually get that breaker structure, any move to the downside could possibly just be a correction to the last impulsive move up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, very strong move to the upside because of the U.S. elections. We also have interest rate news tomorrow on Thursday, so definitely a very big week for the dollar pairs. We had U.S. elections, which President Trump did win, and we got interest rate news, which they do plan on lowering interest rates by 25 basis points. So to me, it seems like, tomorrow during interest rate news could possibly be when this thing tries to push down and break structure. For me, like I said, I'm definitely waiting for the breaker structure before I go short, because just as easy as this could happen, it could possibly end up doing this: go down, take out that low, and then just shoot right back up. Because the trend is up on our higher time frames, and the trend is our friend, which means we should primarily keep an eye out for more longs while we watch our structure levels to see if we have confirmation of this wave B being over on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.